So another demand is to stop coke and cement plant to protect environment and public health. So Meghalaya cannot sacrifice its forests, rivers, agricultural land, and public health in the name of industrialization. The question is not whether Meghalaya needs economic development. Of course, it does. The question is what kind of development we are willing to accept. Industries must comply with environmental laws, pollution control requirements, land use conditions, and public health safeguards. Existing illegal or non-compliant plants must face appropriate enforcement action. The government should also conduct rigorous monitoring of air pollution, water contamination, dust and particles emission, impact on agricultural land, forests, and biodiversity, health impact on nearby communities, and compliance with environmental clearance. We must reject the false choice between environment and development. The real choice is between responsible development and destructive development. So therefore, we demand from the government that the government should cancel the public hearing conducted at Loom Sermon for establishing Shree Cement because it was not done in a democratic and transparent manner. We fail to understand why the government is so hell-bent to facilitate Shree Cement to set up its plant. This government, with due respect, has been known as a government that promotes outsiders. So a factory can be rebuilt, a poisoned river, destroyed forest, and damaged public health cannot be easily restored.